Hello guys, today let's learn sentence connector kurigu. It means and in English. So kurigu function as noun connector. It means it connect two, three noun. So these are the main connector we know. Hwa, rang, and hagu. But today we will learn kurigu also means and. So 저는 영어 그리고 한국어를 공부해요. So 저는 means I, 영어 means English, and kurigu means and, 한국어 means Korean, and 공부하다 means to study. So conjugated into present tense, 공부해요. So I study English and Korean. Number 2, 저는 사과랑 바나나를 좋아요. We can replace rang with kurigu. So, 저는 사과 그리고 바나나를 좋아요. So, 저는 means I, 사과 apple, 그리고 and banana is banana, 좋아요 is like. So, I like apple and banana. Number 3, 저는 엄마하고 아빠가 좋아요. So, we can replace 하고 with 그리고. 저는 엄마 그리고 아빠가 좋아요. 저는 I, 엄마 is mother, 그리고 and 아빠 is father, and 좋아요 is like. So, I like mother and father. Guys, ito yung pattern ng kurigu as noun connector and verb connector. So, nagkukonect siya sa dalawa or tatlong noun at pwede rin mag-connect sa dalawang verb sa isang sentence. Verb connector turn into conjunction just like a sentence connector. Kurigu as verb connector, it means more than one verb you do at the same time. So, dalawa yung verb sa isang sentence. Example sentence, babies cry and laugh all the time. So, babies, in Korean, agi. So, para maging plural, lalagyan natin ng dul. So, agi들은, topic particle un, agi들은. So, yung cry in Korean is ulda, means to cry. So, kunin lang natin yung verb stem na ul. So, verb stem na ul at ilagyan natin ng sentence connector na kurigu. So, ang kukunin lang natin sa kurigu yung go. I-connect natin yung verb stem na ul plus go. It will become ulgo. So, nag-connect na yung verb stem at saka yung sentence connector na kurigu. Then, yung next verb na love, it means to utta, to love. So, conjugate natin into present tense, 웃어요. So, kumpletuhin natin yung sentence. 아기들은 항상 means always. Naging yung all the time is adverb. So, it means 항상, all the time, always. So, 아기들은 항상 울고 웃어요. Babies cry and laugh all the time. So, nag-connect na yung laugh, yung cry and laugh, nag-connect sa sentence connector na go. Another example is, every day I work out and drink coffee. So, dalawa yung verb. I work out and drink coffee. So, in Korean, I work out is exercise, 운동 하다, to exercise. So, i-connect natin yung sentence connector. Gamitin natin, 운동 하고. And yung drink coffee is 마시다. 마시다 to drink. So, conjugate natin into present tense, 마셔요. So, 저는 means I. Everyday means 매일. So, 운동하고. And lagyan natin ng object, particle, na coffee, coffee를 마셔요. So, nag-connect na yung dalawang verb na 운동하다 at saka 마시다, nag-connect through sentence connector na go. 운동하고 마셔요.